Hi students, welcome to the Neo Browser orientation session. We can wait for few minutes so that the other members can join. Only 75 are online now. Let us wait for some time. Whether my voice is audible, guys? I haven't started the meeting yet. I am just waiting for the other students to join. Please inform the
I
students to
haven't
join,
started.
guys. Okay, guys, I think we can start with the meeting now. In this meeting, we are going to see how to use the Neo browser for the assessments. I hope most of the students have used the Neo browser previously. I'm just going it with the scratch so that everyone can make sure that everyone is knowing about how to use the Neo browser. First, initially we need to install the Neo browser from the system. Initially, you can log in with the Chrome to install the Neo browser. You can log in with your ID. This will be the initial dashboard. I am inside the courses page. I'm just selecting the courses Neo browser user manual. You can also use the same course that is enabled for you. Here you can see the list of user manuals that we have enabled for all the OSs: Mac, Ubuntu, Windows. For all the OSs, we have given the user manuals. You can refer for any troubleshooting steps. Most of the time there won't be any issue. If any issue occurs in your any of the systems, you can refer to this user manual, or else I think they will be sharing a mail ID with you. You can directly report to that mail ID uh, what the actual issues you are facing. Here you can see this test. Here you cannot take this test as this is the Neo browser test. In this course, you can see an option called download Neo browser option. Just click this download Neo browser option. The Neo browser will get downloaded in your system. As I have already installed the Neo browser in my system, so I am just pausing it. You can see the Neo browser into the applications. Here it will get downloaded. For the Windows, it will be directly downloaded into the downloads folder. You just need to double click and install the Neo browser. Just double click and click next, and you can install the Neo browser. This is how you need to install the Neo browser. As this OS is Mac, I'm just need to drag and drop into this file into the application. It will automatically get installed. For Windows, you need to click. I'm just showing. I'm just showing the steps in this user manual. Yes. Yes. After clicking download, download Neo browser, it will be directly downloaded in your downloads folder. There you can go and choose the Neo browser application and double click it. It will get opened. You need to select anyone who uses the computers in that, and you need to click next and install. The Neo browser will be directly installed in your system, and it will be visible in the desktop as an icon. This is how you need to install the Neo browser. During the installation, if you are facing any issues like uh, there is no sufficient memory like that, you need to remove some memory from local disk C, and you can install the Neo browser. This is how you need to install the Neo browser. I think most of you have installed the Neo browser. And then we need to open the Neo browser. The major issue while opening the Neo browser, that is actually not an issue. The thing that we need to do while opening the Neo browser is we need to completely task all the listed application that are visible in the Neo browser. I'm just showing that. Here you can see after opening the Neo browser, most of the students will get this issue. Restricted application detected. We detected an external application like any disk, WhatsApp, Teams, Edge, Chrome, like that. All the applications will be running in the background. While starting the Neo browser, we need to end all the Neo browser. How we need to end all this task? Just we need to open the task manager in your system, and just you need to click on end task. You can see the task manager. You can click open, and if this indication shows that any disk or WhatsApp or Teams is open, just search for Teams in your task manager and right click the Teams, and you can see an option to end task that particular application. You need to give end task for that application. After giving all the applications, you just come back to the Neo browser. You can see an option called check again over here. Check again. You need to just click the check again option. It will just load it, and you will be enter into the Neo browser. After entering into the Neo browser, you will just get an actual browser like a Chrome. You won't get these cinematics. Just the search bar will be appear. There you need to do your URLs. Sathyabama Yes, this will be your URL sathyabama250.xamli.io, and then you need to directly log in with your ID and you can take the course accordingly. While entering the Neo browser, make sure every application that listed over here are in task. If that is not done, if while opening then while you are working in the Neo browser, that is while you are taking any of the test in your Neo browser, if some application erase notification, let us keep an example for this. We can take WhatsApp. If you haven't logged out your WhatsApp, even though if you are giving end task for that application, if in between somebody has texted you or some messages arises in the WhatsApp, you will be automatically came out of the test. So what we need to do in this case is just we need to log out your account from the WhatsApp so that you won't get any notification from the WhatsApp. Likewise, in all the applications that are erasing notification like Teams, Outlook, Edge, like that, you need to do all the application. You need to just log out from that application. I'm just telling that this is only for the applications like WhatsApp, Teams, even some applications like Telegram, like that. You need to give log out. You need to log out from those applications while writing the test. After writing the test, you can use your apps normally as similar. This is how you need to install and use the Neo browser. If any of the students is facing any queries in this part and you have anything that need to be represented in the meeting, you can post it in the chat. I will help you to do. And you can ask whether all the courses will be enabled with the Neo browser. No, it won't be like that. All the courses will not be enabled with the Neo browser. The important assessments like company specific assessment or some company assessment or some screening assessment which you may need to do in your colleges or at home, the important assessment will be enabled via Neo browser. Neo browser is nothing but it's actually a browser. In that browser, you need to take the exam in a controlled environment. That's it. Inside the Neo browser, you could not take screenshot like that. Some restrictions will be enabled so that you could not, the students will not get any malpractice. It's just a browser. I think most of the students have installed the Neo browser. If not, you can install it now and you can tell me if any queries are arising when you are installing the Neo browser. And I hope you have received the mail regarding the update of the Neo browser. Today after 7 p.m. you will get an version 8 update. I think now it will be version 7. You need to do for you need to update it to version 8 today. Yes, this is version 7. You need to do for version 8 today. That update is not a mandatory update. Even if you are not updating, you can use the Neo browser. You can give skip and you can use the version 7 itself. If you need to use for the use the version 8, you can just update it and you can use the version 8. Yes. Yes, you can just log in your ID in the Chrome and you can see this option. I have just logged in with the demo ID. I am using Edge. You can just log in with the Chrome and you can log in with your ID. You can see a course name called Neo Browser User Manual. Click that course. You can see an option called Download Neo Browser over there. You can just click that option and you can install that. Yes, do they have marks obtained via sample test 2? Sample test 2. What you are coming to say in this? You are asking about this one? Sir, one doubt after entering into what should be. It's not provided in the mail. Okay. After entering the Neo browser, the same URL that you are using, right? https sathyabama250.examli.io. I'm just sharing this URL. You can use. Diagnostic test is not opening. That is not mandatory. You can come and take this mock test. That is more than enough. Mock test now. No, you don't need to do the mock test. Just this mock test is to download this Neo browser. We are just enabling Neo browser in this test so that the Neo browser download option will be appear here so that you can download it easier. Can you please show me how to get your interface? How to get your interface? What is that? Mock test. Should I type Google? No, no, no. You just log in with this Sathyabama placement URL, log in with your ID, and come to this course and click download Neo browser option. You could not get any download link in directly in the Chrome. There is no test link. You just log in with this ID. Okay, wait, I am just telling you. Okay. If you are using this URL, https satyabama250.xml.io, you will be landed to this login page. Just you need to log in with this ID. Let me get that sample ID. Yes, you just log in with this ID. After login, you need to click this course. You can see a course called Neo Browser User Manual. If not, you can search it over here. Then you can get this course. Just you come and click this mock test and you can see this download Neo browser option. You can download it from here. Sample test not appearing on the dashboard. Which dashboard? It won't be appear in dashboard. You need to click this courses and you can check for the course. Where should I download this sample? It won't be appear in the dashboard. Please click this courses option and you can try there. Download part in the courses not showing. It won't be appear in all the courses. Just check for this course name, Neo browser user manual, and you can take it from there. It won't be appear in all the courses. I'm just clicking this. This is also enabled with the Neo browser. Sathyabama CTS. I think all the courses has been enabled. Oh, this is a demo ID. It will be enabled. I have shared the URL in the chat. You can check it over there. I'm just sharing and pinning that message. Yes. There is no option to pin. In Windows, what should we use for the email and password to sign in? It says you are using, but I don't understand. I think you have activated your account with your personal email ID, right? Personal or college email ID. That will be your login ID and password will be your default password. If you have forgot your password, you can use forgot password option and you can reset the password. Sir, we have two exams to attend on 29th and 31. Should we attend specific date only? No, you need to attend that on specific date. You can check with your faculty members, those who shared this information with you. I don't aware of this assessment days. So we are supposed to open the new browser along the placement portal given. No, just you need to open your Neo browser and log in with your account. You don't need to log in both the IDs simultaneously. It won't work. It will be asked to close your Chrome, Edge, or all the applications that you have open. Only Neo browser can be opened at a time. No other application can run along with the Neo browser. Nothing working. What is not working for you? Can you please tell me? So today we just have to log in or we need to attend the mock test too. Just you can log in with your ID and download the Neo browser. Just check whether the Neo browser is working properly or not. So you won't get any confusions during your assessment time. Should I download the Neo browser right now or after 7 p.m.? You can download it now. Anyway, you are going to download it, right? You can download it. This update is not mandatory. So you can click skip and you can start using the Neo browser. After 10 or 15 days, it will be a mandatory part. After that, you can update the Neo browser. While entering the Neo browser itself, you will be asked to update it. You will get a pop-up message that you need to use the updated version like that and you need to update it. Just click update. It will get automatically updated. If we have already installed the new browser, can we log in directly? Yes, you can. Okay, I have a doubt. Yes, you can. It's showing restricted application detected. Yes, I have informed you previously. You will get this message mandatorily. You can see the list of applications. In this, you can see AnyDesk, WhatsApp, Chrome, Copilot. All these applications are opened in the backend. So you need to close those applications. Even though if you are closing, this application will be running in the back end. So you need to open the task manager in your system or activity monitor if you are using Mac. Just go inside the task manager. If the restricted application, let us keep as Teams, you need to search for Teams. If the search bar is not appearing, just scroll it and search. You can see the application name. Just right click it and give end task. Like that you need to do for all the application. Don't close this new browser window. After giving end task for all the application here, just come and click check again in the new browser. It will be reopened again. Why we should do this, sir? What is the benefit? Tell why. Tell the tutorial man. Okay, why should we do this? This is because of you guys. It won't allow you to navigate to another tabs like that. You need to take the your college management is preferring us to give a secure environment to take the assessments. That's why we are giving this new browser to you. Sir, already I had used the last year. Yes, yes. If you have installed it last year, you just uninstall all the instance from your system. That is all the new browser related files, and you can install freshly and you can use that. Sir, we have sample test one. Yes, you can take the sample test. Sir, could you share us the user manual? You can have the user manual in the course itself. Inside this course name is Neo Browser User Manual. You can see all the user manual related. For Mac, you need to use this user manual, Windows this one, and Ubuntu this one. You can see the user manual over here itself. For that only we have attached this here. They said run the sample diagnostic so that I'm not getting any particular sample. They say to attend the sample diagnostic, particular sample diagram. You can even take this test, this mock test, right? You just download the Neo browser and you can take this test. No issues. This mock test is for just to check whether the Neo browser is working properly in your system or not. Nothing will be valued. Sir, will they take the sample test one marks into the account for placement? No, 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 they won't take. Security check failed. Yes, for security check failed, you can see the date and time whether it is mapped correctly in your system or not. For that, you can refer this user manual. I'm just sharing you. I'm just searching for this. Where is that one? Yes. For this security check failed, I think your system's date and time may be mismatched. Just open date and time settings in your settings. Just click set time zone automatically. I could not show you in my system because it's entirely different. I'm just showing the screenshot. You can see set time zone, set the time automatically. Just on this one. Also ensure the correct time zone is selected. And you need to select the correct time zone. I mean Kolkata I think so. New Delhi, Kolkata in your system. Just do that one and click sync now. You can see the sync now option over here. Just sync now that. After that, you can see if your dates are properly realigned. Just open the Neo browser again. That's it. So wait. Not able to log in. Share the user manual. This user manual is already available over here. I have informed. Even if I close every app, I can't open it. Yes, what is the issue? Keep on saying restrict. Log out the watch. No, you can see a restricted application detected. Like that, you can see that pop up, and you can see the application name over here. You can check that one. Wait, I'm just showing. See, we detected the external application detected any desk WhatsApp. Like that, the application will be visible here. Just to check for that. Or if you have done all the steps, just once restart the system. I think it won't get reflected in your system. I think that's the issue. Okay, guys, I don't want to take much of your time as this is a weekend. Please post your queries. I will resolve as soon as possible and we can wind up the session. Sir, please share the. I could not share the user manual over this chat. That's why I have attached the user manual in this course itself. You can see the user manual from here and you can check it. If needed, I will ask your faculty members to share the. I entered the task, but yes, what is that something? Can you copy paste that one and paste it over here so that I can check? Kishore, I think your network is too low. Just once refresh it and try again. Saying about the updated thing, what would come in app or to install it again? No, nothing will be new in that updated file. Just some security changes will be changed, or some bugs will be fixed in this update. I don't get the download option. Please check in this course Neo browser user manual. You can see the course name here. You just type the course name here. You can see this course. Just click this one and click download Neo browser. Okay, it's showing. Check again. Yes, it will show. Check again. I'm telling that what is the application listed over here. I'm just asking we detected an external application, like that you can see two or three lines, right? In that line what it is mentioned, or else you can see a need help option over here. Wait, let me open my new browser. It won't get open. Yes, you can see an option called need help over here. You can enter your queries here. The AI chatbot will help you to log in. See, for restricted application detected, if you click this one, you will get all the things related to this user manual clearly. You don't need the user manual actually. You just click this need help option. You can see the list of questions and the solution for that. You can do that directly without the user manual. What link should I paste in the clarify me? Yes, in your browser, the same link that you are going to use in your Chrome, right? HTTPS Sathyabama 250.examly.io. That's it. I'm just pasting it here. Yes, after giving end task for all the application, you need to give check again. If your application is still showing some error, you can use need help and you can clarify your error. It says MS Edge. Okay, Brave. How to disable it? Can see task manager neither in startup apps. Okay, it will be displayed in the task manager. You can see. Wait, let me tell you. In task manager, you can see the list of process, performance, app history. Inside this, you need to check for all. For Brave, it will be appear in the task manager. You can check. For MS Edge also, it will be appear in the task manager. If you have already given in task, just you can restart the system once and try again. Okay, sir, down its connection stable, but the screen is blank. Blank. The screen will be blank, yeah. Wait, let me. How to tell you? Wait, let me share that. Yes, after entering the new browser, you can see only this icons. Other than that, every page, the page will be blank. You can see the URL typing that box, right? Text URL box, right? You need to do the URL here and you need to click enter. That's it. The other pages will be empty. After login only, you will get all these things. Anything else, guys? I will be asking the faculty to share the user manual with you for all the OS, for Mac, Windows, Linux, everything. I will be asking them to share. Okay, guys. Any other queries? If not, we can wind up. Or if you are sharing anything, I will be happy to resolve that one. Sir, it's not opening. It's not, what is the actual error? I need that one. It's not opening means we have to type the URL, sir. Yes, exactly. You need to type the URL. Just I'm telling, take this as a neo browser. Okay, you will get only this part in the neo browser while entering the URL. You just need to enter this URL and click enter. You will just get landed into the login page. In that you can log in with your ID and you can log in. I have closed all the restricted application, even though it. Okay. Yes, if you have restricted all the application, once click check again. After that, you are seeing some other applications in that restricted application part. You just type that application in the task manager and end task. If all the applications are ended, just restart your system and you can log in with that. I'm not getting Google Chrome option in the task manager. No, it will be available. Check it properly, please. Google Chrome will be available in the task manager. Okay, if that is not available in the task manager, you don't need to give end task for that. Just click check again and do for rest of the applications. Still it's not opening. If I right click and end task everything, but it's still not opening. Okay, what it's showing in that, sir, I'm not even getting the download new browser. Not even getting that. Yes, you can directly, I have already informed, you can see this course name, neo browser user manual. This is the actually a course name. This is not the user manual. This is actually a course name. Just type this course name and come into this and click mock test. You can see the download neo browser option here. No, it won't be available in the Play Store. Sir, if I enter the neo browser, it get cancelled. Enter the Neo browser. You should not give enter the Neo browser, right? Neo application and the Google Chrome. Okay, if you are joined this meeting over your laptop, you won't be able to enter the Neo browser. You need to, after the meeting, you need to try. If you give end task for this Chrome application, the meeting will get disconnected even after giving end task. Yes. Okay, what are all the application that is showing? Vasuntara. Can you please text that application? No sir, it is working. I can't open. It's working or not opening. You have attended the coding test or not? Yes, you can attend the coding test. That sample test. You can check whether the Neo browser is working properly or not. Can't understand, sir. Okay, I'm just telling you. I think you have stuck in this page, right? You can see the list of applications. We have detected an external application running. Microsoft Teams, Edge, WhatsApp, Google, like that. You can see all the applications that are running on the background, right? You can see what are all the application that is running. If you are telling that your WhatsApp is running on the background, just log out your WhatsApp. If you are getting any notification, the app will be started at the backend automatically. Likewise, Teams and Edge, Chrome, and all, you just need to entask in the task manager. WhatsApp, Teams, once giving before giving entask, log out from those application and you can give entask after that. Where is my meeting? Yes. Unauthorized Neo browser detected. It's showing like that. Have you downloaded the latest version? I think you haven't. You need to download the latest version. You can see the version details there. Version 2.0.8 or 2.0.7. Both are sufficient to take the test. Test analysis is logged. That is actually a sample test, right? They will be logged, I think so. For other tests, they will be enabled the analysis as per the faculty's suggestion. Okay, what it's showing in the task manager? If you are not able to give end task in the task manager, you can see this. After while opening the task manager, you can see an option called run as administrator, right? Click run as administrator and open the task manager and try to give end task for the Chrome. It's asking check again. Yes, after giving end task, click check again and see whether it is opening or not. Google Chrome is not available in the task manager, right? Whether the in restricted application Google Chrome is showing or not. Sathyabama placement portal. I have already. This is the URL. This will be the placement portal. Yes, I have shared you the URL. Okay, if that is showing like that, you can just restart your system once and you can check now. It will disappear. Just restart the system. After giving end task, that application is still detecting in the Neo browser. Just restart your system and try again. It will come. Okay. How to find the restricted application? Yes, while opening the Neo browser, you can see this message. In this, you can see these are all the restricted application. You need to give end task in the task manager before opening that one. If you have any doubt, you can use the same link and review this meeting again, so you can clarify all your doubts. I think it's getting late. We can wind up the meeting if no queries. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining the meeting. If you have any queries, you can report the queries to your faculty members or that mail ID that we have already shared. It will be circulated with you with your faculty members. I want to allow public or private networks to access this app. What should I do? You can use any networks. Yes, for this dip, you need to give end task for this. Wait, you need to give end task for this copilot. You can see copilot in your task manager. You need to give end task for that one. How to end task restricted application? Yes, I have already mentioned here. You will get this one while opening the new browser. What you should do is just open the task manager. If teams is mentioned here, you need to search for teams in the task manager and right click it and give end task. Do the same step for all the listed application, and you can click check again here. You don't want to close the application, and you can click check again in the neo browser. It will reload and it will enter automatically. How can I close this one? Yes, just open task manager and search for copilot. You can see the copilot. Give end task for that. Yes, I think your doubt is cleared, right? Yes, you can post the queries. I enter the URL, but it is not showing. But it is not showing means in your browser you are telling, right? Just restart the neo browser. I think it may be a network issue. Just restart the neo browser. Harshavardhan. Public network. You can use any of the networks while using the neo browser. There's no restriction for that. But I think while you are doing any assessment in the college, you can use the college Wi-Fi. In task manager, copilot is not showing. Copilot is not showing. No, it will be visible, right? What to do, sir? Just close the for this copilot. Just check in the task manager for copilot. Search for this 365 copilot or just a copilot. Like that, you can see many. Give end task for all the applications that is related to copilot. What to do, sir? Please ensure you are accessing and allowed. Yes, this is due to network issue, right? Wait, I'm just checking this. Yes, that is due to network issue. You just restart it. I think you have joined the meeting with hotspot, right? Just after the meeting, you try again. It will work. That is not actually an issue. Right? Neo browser is not opening. Okay, what is the actual issue you are facing while opening the Neo browser? It's asking me to log out of all the device. Log out of all the device. Log out of all the device. No, it won't appear like that. Have you installed the correct Neo browser? Whether you have installed this one, please check that one. Log out of all the systems means I don't get your question properly. From the initial page itself, it's showing like that. This will be the initial page after opening the new browser. You can see the list of application and you need to enter for that. Any other queries, guys? I think we can wind up. Okay, guys, if you are facing any other queries, you can just check with that user manual. If you are unable to solve those queries, you can directly mail to that ID that will be circulated via your faculty members. Yes, thank you for joining, guys. Thank you.